Right now, jurors in the Perrish Cox case are heading home for the night. After deliberating most of the afternoon, the judge deciding just minutes ago to send them home. And 7 News reporter Tyler Lopez just stepped out of the courthouse in Douglas County. Tyler, you've observed the pressure seems to be getting to Cox.
And it's going to be another tough night for him, and he spent a lot of the day in a cafe on the first floor of the building behind us, at times talking, but at other times with his head in his hands. He will now go home tonight knowing that he may never leave this building again tomorrow. He could potentially leave in handcuffs. Cox has adamantly denied ever having sex on Labor Day 2010 with his accuser, a now 22-year-old lingerie model. Today, the jury heard from a Lone Tree police detective. After Cox was arrested in December, the detective says that Cox asked him, "What if she jumped on me while I was passed out?" Prosecutor Chris Gallo in his closings told the jury to listen again to a recorded phone call where Perrish Cox was almost schizophrenic, talking with his accuser by phone in November. Gallo said Cox was having fun at first in that phone call, but once she told him she was pregnant, suddenly now he can't talk. He stammers, has a nervous giggle. He knows the game is up. The defense attorney instead concentrated on that accuser, saying she is a party girl who drank too much. Harvey Steinberg in his closings told the jury, "What an awful night, what an awful situation, but we have to follow the law. We can't convict based on this evidence." So Perrish Cox, the former NFL player, will go home tonight knowing that if he's convicted, potentially his career could be over, but more importantly, he could spend the rest of his life in prison facing 2 counts of sexual assault. His jury is due back here at 9 o'clock in the morning. Reporting live in Castle Rock, Tyler Lopez, 7 News.